can I inspect the vehicles? Of course, we actually highly recommend to always inspect the vehicles before bidding. You can even inspect cars for auction before registering with us. You can visit the Copart facility where the vehicle is stored Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Please remember that all vehicles are sold as is, where is. All offers are binding and all sales are final. This means that you are buying it with all faults and without any warranty or guarantee of any type, express or implied. Any information regarding the cars for auction provided by the seller, Copart or us is for convenience only. It is your sole responsibility to ascertain, confirm, research, inspect, and investigate a vehicle and any information regarding such vehicle prior to bidding on it in salvage auction. Salvage inspection. Get in contact with a salvage inspection agency near you before bidding on salvage cars. Here we list everything you need to get in touch with inspectors. Moreover, in addition to providing a contact's name, phone number and email, we also specify languages spoken. Visit salvagereseller.com for more information. Salvage Reseller, the most convenient place to buy salvage cars.